Why women start to dislike their husbands as they get older. The surprising truth. They say love is forever, but let's be real. How many marriages actually feel that way after 10, 20, or 30 years? Why do so many women, once deeply in love, suddenly feel distant, irritated, or even resentful towards their husbands? Is it the weight of responsibilities, the lack of romance, or something far deeper, something that men often don't even notice until it's too late? Today, we're uncovering the 5 biggest reasons why women grow distant from their husbands over time. And men, before you dismiss this as just another relationship video, listen carefully. This could save your marriage. And ladies, tell me in the comments if any of these reasons sound familiar. But before we dive in, take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Trust me, this is a conversation every couple needs to hear. Now, let's get started. Reason number 5. He stops being emotionally present. At the start of a relationship, a man listens. He engages. He asks questions. He's curious about her thoughts, her feelings, her dreams. But as time passes, something shifts. Conversations become surface level. Instead of deep discussions, it's, "How was your day?" "Fine." "What's for dinner?" "I don't know." Sound familiar? It's not about talking more. It's about being emotionally present. A woman doesn't just want her husband in the same room. She wants his attention, his understanding, his presence. Because when a man stops listening, she stops talking. When she stops talking, she starts feeling alone. And once a woman feels alone in a marriage, the connection begins to crumble. Ladies, be honest. Have you ever felt like you're talking, but he's not really listening? Drop a yes in the comments. Reason number 4. He gets too comfortable and stops trying. Remember those early days of dating? The date nights, the thoughtful texts, the compliments, the small surprises, the extra effort to look good and impress each other. Now, fast forward 10 or 20 years. What happened? Sweatpants every day. No more compliments. No more spontaneous "I love yous." Date night? What's that? Men often assume, "She knows I love her, so why do I need to say it?" Here's why. Because love is not a one-time declaration. It's a daily action. A woman wants to feel like she's still worth the effort, that she's still desired, that she still matters. When a man stops trying, it sends a silent message. You're not worth the effort anymore. And over time, that message kills attraction, kills romance, and kills love. Guys, if you're watching, when was the last time you truly made an effort? Think about it. And ladies, what's something small your husband used to do that you wish he still did? Let me know in the comments. Reason number 3. She feels like she's doing everything alone. Let's talk about something uncomfortable. Mental load. A lot of men believe that if they go to work and provide for the family, they've done their part. And yes, being a provider is important. But what about managing the household, scheduling doctor's appointments, remembering birthdays, organizing the kids' activities, handling emotional crises? Many women over time begin to feel less like a wife and more like a manager. And when a woman feels like she's raising the kids and the man, she starts seeing him as a burden instead of a partner. If a man isn't pulling his weight in the emotional and mental workload, resentment builds. Ladies, have you ever felt like this? Let me know in the comments. And men, take a second to think. How much of the invisible work in your home does your wife handle alone? Reason number 2. He doesn't make her feel desired anymore. Here's the raw truth. A woman doesn't just want love. She wants passion. She wants to feel seen, admired, and wanted. But what happens in many long-term marriages? The passion fades. Compliments disappear. Physical affection becomes routine, and slowly a woman stops feeling like a lover and starts feeling like a roommate. No more flirty texts. No more just because kisses. No more deep, lingering looks. It's not about grand romantic gestures. It's about keeping the spark alive. Men, when was the last time you told your wife she's beautiful? That you're lucky to have her? That you still crave her like you did in the early days? A simple touch, a whispered compliment, a look that says, "I still want you." These things matter. If you agree, hit that like button right now. Reason number 1, he stops growing, but she doesn't. This is the biggest reason why so many marriages slowly fall apart. Women evolve, women learn, women seek emotional and intellectual growth, but too many men stay the same. A woman wants a partner who grows with her. If she's reading books, improving herself, deepening her emotional intelligence, and her husband is stuck in the same habits, the same conversations, the same mindset, a gap starts to form, and that gap leads to distance. A couple that doesn't grow together grows apart. Drop a yes in the comments if you believe that personal growth is key to a lasting relationship. Powerful closing and call to action. So, and what's the solution? Is it too late to fix a relationship that feels broken? Absolutely not. But it takes effort. Men, if you want to keep your wife happy, don't take her for granted. Show appreciation. Compliment her. Be present. Help without being asked. Make her feel wanted. And ladies, communication is key. Speak up. Let him know what you need. Love is a choice. You choose to work on it, or you choose to let it fade. Now I want to hear from you. Have you noticed these patterns in your own relationship? Drop a comment below. Your story might help someone else. And if this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, remember, love doesn't just happen. You have to make it happen. Keep love alive.